What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Arthur Early here with you, doing this 90-day YouTube challenge. Alright, so before we get into it, guys, what I want you to do is go ahead and smash that subscribe button, smash that bell notification so you'll be notified when I'm putting out new videos and so that you can follow along. But tonight we're going to be talking about fear. Alright, how to what fear does to you, what fear does to you in your business, and how to get over those fears, guys. So the other day when I found out and when I committed to doing this YouTube video challenge, I reached out to my list, all right, letting them know that I was going to be doing this challenge, and I reached out to my friends on Facebook, letting them know that I was going to be doing this challenge, because I figured the more support I have, you know, I could use the support. You know, when you're doing something this monumental, you can use all the support that you can get. So I reached out to a couple of friends, and I want to play something for you guys that's very, very powerful that got me wanting to do this video. All right, so bear with me. I'm going to play with this for you. All right, so here you go right there. I'm just going to hold this up to the mic for you, and I want you to take a listen to this.
You know, I've been wanting to do YouTube for years, and I just haven't had the courage to get in front of the camera. I don't know why, but that do sound like a good ass idea. When are you started?
All right, so that was a good friend of mine that I let know that I was going to be doing the YouTube videos, and as you can see, he said, I wanted to do YouTube for years, but I haven't had the courage. That's just fear holding you back, guys. And sometimes in life and in business, that fear is so crippling, it will not allow you to move on. There's been sayings, and I've read, and like I said in the last video, I put out some books, some literature that I've been reading, some personal development. And if you haven't watched the video, you could actually catch the replay. I'm going to put it right above, right here, so you can check that out. But it says that everything that you want in life is on the other side of fear. So whatever it is that you want, you have to tackle the thing that scares the shit out of you to get to that next level. And in life and business, that we're scared to go ahead and do the things that we know that we need to do. As you heard, plain and simple, he said he didn't have the courage and he didn't know why. It's not just video, guys. It's a video. It's, you know, maybe asking for that promotion at your job, maybe asking out that girl, that guy. It's fear that's stopping you, because sometimes we have fear of rejection. Sometimes we have fear of success. Sometimes we have fear that we're not going to be able to meet a deadline. Sometimes that we have fear that we have fear. Okay, whatever the reason that you have fear, I want to try to go ahead and help you guys overcome certain fears that we have to go ahead and get to the next level in life and to get to the next level in your business. So for those of you that are watching, and what I want you to do, guys, is I want you to go ahead and comment down below of this video, and also what are some of the things that you do to overcome your fears, right? Some of the things that you do to overcome your fears. So I'm not going to really, you know, go ahead and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as far as the list goes, but you know, the first thing that we can do is just breathe, right? Just sit back, breathe, and you know, look up on YouTube, look up on Google, breathing exercises that help overcome anxiety, because some of this anxiousness that you have, breathing helps reduce that fear and that anxiety. So you want to do some breathing exercises. Another thing that you want to do is, if you're about to do something and you're fearful, take a walk, clear your mind, and come back to it. 9 out of 10 times after you take that walk and clear your mind, you'll have a fresh mind and fresh thoughts that you're going to be able to go ahead and just do those things. Because fear is crippling. Fear just stops us in our tracks, and I have had fear. When I first started doing video, I was fearful of what other people thought. I was fearful of, what other people thought I would look like, or I would get stuck up over my words. Another way to overcome that fear is just to do it. Whatever it is, that thing that you want to do, I don't know exactly what it is, guys, but we all have fears. Just do it. Just get out of your own head and just do it. So if you want to do video, just do a video. Just do it. I mean, you don't have to publish the video. Just shoot the video. You could always go back and delete it. Just shoot the video. Get comfortable of getting in front of the camera and shooting the video. If you wanna ask that girl out, just ask her out. And another thing is, guys, if you can accept the worst outcome of that fear that's stopping you from doing what you want to do, then it's okay. So let's just say, you want to ask for a promotion at your job, okay? And the worst outcome of of you asking that is that the boss says no. If you can handle that, then you can ask. Sometimes it's that simple. If you can handle the worst outcome, then you should have no fears in doing whatever it is that you want, guys. All right. So once again, I'm going back to what my friend said. He said he didn't have the courage and he didn't know why. Sometimes we just don't know why, and that's because we have limiting beliefs from early childhood, from things that happened earlier in our lives, that we don't know why we're scared to do something, why we have a crippling fear of doing something. So just go back and just try to remember of something or of an instance in your childhood or when you were younger of something that might have happened on why you're scared of doing a particular thing. And if you can jog your memory and say, oh shit, this is what happened, that's why I'm fearful to do this, then you know what you're fearful of, and then you can go ahead and change it. You see that? That is what you can do, guys. And another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is I know a lot of you that are watching this video right now are fearful of starting an online business. You know, you've been wanting to start that online business for so long, and you've been doing the research, and you've been seeing what works and what doesn't work, and then you're just fearful because you don't know where to start, guys. And trust me, when I started out online, I was the same way. Very, very fearful of what can go wrong, what can go right, and I didn't know, and the fear of not knowing where to start, guys. And what I want to do is I have a brand new system that's out right now that takes all the guesswork out of having that fear of starting a business online. It does all the work for you guys. It sends the emails, it writes the emails, it does the selling, it does the telling. Everything that you could have a hurdle to do online and make a profit and be profitable in an online business that you can think of is already taken care of. So what I want you to do is I want to invite you to go ahead and click the link down below in this video in the comments section and get started and overcome that fear of starting an online business. It is very, very simple, guys. It's 6 income streams. All right. 1 funnel, 0 headaches. So if you're brand new online, a brand new newbie that has absolutely no idea how to start an online business, of what to do, this is the opportunity that you need to take right now. So go ahead, click that button. And if for those of you that are a little bit more seasoned, that have that fear of moving moving out of your current opportunity and into a new opportunity, I encourage you to take a look at this opportunity, because it will have you overcome that fear of moving on. You see what I'm saying, guys? So just start with once again, like I said before, start with the end in mind and just do it. Get over that fear of starting that online business. What I want you to do is I want you to click down below, take a look at what I have for you. 6 income streams, 1 funnel, 0 headaches. And what I want you to do once that's done is I want you to message me. Okay, I'm going to put my Facebook information down below. I want you to message me on Facebook, and I want you to give me your thoughts on this opportunity, guys. Also, like I said before, I want you to give me your ideas of what fears that you have, and ideas of how to overcome fears, guys. A lot of this YouTube video challenge is going to be a lot of interactive. So I'm going to be reading the comments every day on these videos, and I'm going to be responding back. And if I like your idea, I might even turn around and do a YouTube video on what you stated down in the comments below. You never know, guys. So go ahead, leave your comments, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get started, guys. Until the next video, I'll see you later. Bye for now.